Once an RFQ has been sent to the selected respondents, the private quote book will start to populate. It is now possible to disclose additional information to all or selected respondents, including quantity, side, and preferred bid or ask prices. To disclose quantity, enter an amount into the total quantity field and press enter. Select the responders you wish to disclose this information to, right-click and select Show. The responder can now requote in the requested size. To disclose a preferred bid and ask, enter a price into the pref bid pref ask fields. This is not a limit order, but simply an expectation of what level you wish to see the responders quote. The responder can now requote in the requested levels.